Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you some video samples taken from macro lens for smartphone. The macro lens is being sold by the Apexel brand. If you would like to see the unboxing of this lens, I have attached the link in my description. Now, let me show you some more video samples taken by this lens. The key selling point of this lens is that the minimum focus distance is 4 cm and the maximum focus distance can go up to 10 cm, and it is very rare to find such smartphone lens. I hope you are liking all the sample videos. If you have any questions, please do let me know in my comment section. If you have found this video informative, then please do subscribe my channel, like the video and also share with your friends. Thank you.